Today, we are talking about my must-have items in my wedding day styling kit. What's up, guys? Welcome back to our channel. Today, we are starting a series for flat lays and styling, and I'm super stoked. It's one of my favorite parts of any wedding day. When it comes to flat lays and wedding details and styling them, a lot of intentionality goes behind it. And I feel like it sets up the overall look and vibe of the entire wedding day. Every wedding is different, and I provide a list of all of the items that can be given to me to style on their wedding day, and I start every wedding like that. But whether I have a long list or a short list, I make sure to bring all of these items with me because regardless, I know I can get good shots and elevate the styling by just bringing these simple items. All right, the first thing that I bring with me to every wedding day is a styling mat. I have these roll-up mats from Olive & Oak. They're two-sided, and I have multiple ones that are two-sided with different colors, but I would suggest starting out with just a neutral color because you know that it can go with any color scheme or any vibe for any wedding. I also have hardback boards from Heirloom Bindery, and those are amazing as well. A little bit harder to transport because they are actual boards, so I tend to gravitate towards the Olive & Oak, but the Heirloom Bindery ones are also beautiful. All right, the next thing that I bring to every wedding day is ring boxes. Now, again, if you're just starting out, I would suggest bringing just a neutral colored ring box, like a white or a cream. My favorite ring boxes are from Mrs. Box. I can link their website below. I love them. They are a little bit on the pricier side, but they hold up in quality, and they really just elevate an overall flat lay. I have multiple different colors that will fit any type of wedding, but again, any neutral one is a good place to start. The next items I bring with me in my styling kit are trays. I have lots of different trays. I find a lot of my trays at thrift shops and antique shops. Those are great places to look for little tiny trays like this. You can also find them on Etsy shops and also Amazon. So I can link some of those below for you. And I use these just to add any type of visual interest. If there's a locket with a necklace and a picture or something in the locket, I'll put that in here just to signify that this is a special item and just to draw your eye to it. All right, the last item I want to mention is ribbon. And I don't use ribbon all the time, but I do like to have it in my kit in the case that I don't have a lot of items given to me to photograph for details. And that way I can just add the ribbon. It adds a little bit more visual interest and movement to the flat lay, and it makes it look a little more high end. Those are my must-have items in my styling kit. I will say I have a lot more stuff in there. Keep an eye out for the next video coming up in this series for flat lays and styling. As I mentioned before, I can list some of the items in the link down below, so make sure to check those out. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you next time.